Hello everyone, today I will show you how to draw this Inventor tutorial. This is for beginners levels. This is for mechanical engineers. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, let's go to start the drawing. Okay, this is the Autodesk Inventor Professional Software 2017. To draw mechanical part drawing, you choose part from this one. Okay, click new parts. Okay, loading, and this interface here, and then you can say here. Okay, say for the sorry, you save for here. Okay, check the unit here, tools, in the tab to tools, and then document setting here, and then choose the unit depth, and then this is the mechanical drawing, so the all units are millimeters and change millimeters, and then applying close. Okay. Okay, I start the drawing. Please to start the drawing, choose the sketch here, and then tap the sketch, and you can choose the plane you want. Okay, and choose the top plane here, and then normal to here, and then choose and the drawing here, and then rectangle, center rectangle here. Click the center 0 0, and then choose the dimension again here. So 50, and then tap key to change. The dimension is 90. Okay, so you will get, and then right click. Okay, and that's a 15 and 90 dimension here, and then to extrude, 3D model tab, extrude here, and then you can preview the extruded surface here. This is very easy. This is different from the AutoCAD. This is very easy to draw the mechanical parts firstly and simplest. Okay, thickness is here. You can choose 20, and weight you can choose 20 here. Then click OK. We according to the drawing, we need to construct plane here, and then choose plane, offset from the plane here, offset from plane here, and then click. So I want to the other direction, so I will use minus 60, minus 15 here. So the plane is, another plane is here. So sketch slash the plane. Okay, choose the line here. Here the thickness is, the height is 30, and then you can choose that degree is 90 degree is okay. Degree is okay. That is 20 here. The dimension is, and then other dimension. Right click OK, and the line here, the height is 10. Okay, and then connect to line. Okay, and then you can choose close sketch. You must be close sketch here, and then H2 here, and then change the direction here, opposite direction, and then choose the distance is, you can choose the distance is 60 here. Okay, and then so another sketch here, sketch, choose the plane you want to draw, and then choose the rectangle here, and click just like that. Okay, okay, right click OK, and then dimension here. So this, that 2 dimension is 10. 2 dimension is, sorry, dimension, that line is 10. Okay, and then that line and that line 10. Okay, right click OK, Okay, so you want to cut off that line, so you can choose this is join, this you can choose the cut, is to cut. Here the distance is, so the distance is 30. Yeah. Okay. Okay, very simple. So the work plane is temporary visibility off. Okay. Now start again here. Choose plane. Yeah. And then the cycle here. Here the diameter is 20. And okay, right click okay. And then choose the relationship here. Article. That line and that line. Okay. And then dimension is that line and center is 10. Okay. And then choose the line here, here. And then here, here. Okay. Then choose 3D or H2. You want to cut off here, that one also. Okay. Okay. Here, this is 10. Okay. And then start again to the sketch again. Okay. Cycle here. And then cycle diameter is 20. Right click okay. Then you can move the cycle here. So you will need the constraint here, that line and that line. Okay. And then the dimension is that one from that one is 25. Okay. So extrude, cut here, cut, strain, through off. Okay. Very simple, easy enter. And then start K here, split, choose the rectangle here, split, split. And then dimension is, it's 10. Then the distance here from that point and that point should be 10. And then the total distance is 30. Okay. And then choose extrude. So I will cut, choose the cut, through off. Yeah. Okay. Then choose the angle view here. And then choose you want to make a material here. So I will choose the material. This is the material. Okay. Then save. It's very easy and step-by-step guides. Okay. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.